How you doing, everybody? It's Dirty South Barbecue comes back to Brooklyn. It's yours truly, Big Sal. Hope everybody's healthy out there, practice safe distance and everything. Once again, we back again. And guess what we doing today? It's gonna blow your mind today. We are doing brisket, Texas style brisket. What we're doing today is it's called hot and fast. This brisket gonna be done in 5 hours, maybe possibly 6. It's a long cook. It's called hot and fast. Usually a brisket takes about maybe 10 to 12 hours to cook, but I ain't got that kind of time. So I'm gonna show you how to cook this thing in 5 hours, top 6. So like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and please share the video. Come right back to you again. Dirty South Barbecue, come back to Brooklyn. What we're doing now is brisket. It's gonna be hot and fast. This girl got to get up the temperature. Right now, it's at close to almost 300 degrees. Well, past 300 degrees. Usually I like to get it to about 400, but we press for time here. I ain't got time to be doing on this thing all day. So it's going up to about past 300 now. So come back to you. Big Sal again. We're gonna check on this brisket. It's been about an hour and a half. We're gonna check and see what's going on with it. Here we go. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. It's getting crusty. That's what you want, Texas style. You want it nice and crusty. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just turn it, flip it around this way. You don't want it sitting in one spot. Sitting in one spot. Just turn it around. So you got a little crust on it over here. So we don't want anything like that. We just want it cooked evenly all over. So I just want to turn it around. Right here. It's just apple cider vinegar mixed with some water. Just spray it down a little bit. With some moisture. That's all it is. Okay. Apple cider vinegar and water. Alright. Here we go. Put it back on so we don't want to lose that heat. Grill is set up the same way like in the previous video. It's coals on the one side and the meat on the briskets on the other side. Same thing. That's how I do it. That's considered the best way to do it so we control my heat. So we come back to you on the next check. Here we go again. Dirty South Barbecue comes back to Brooklyn. Sal right here. We're gonna check this about 2 hours in. We're gonna check on this brisket, see how we doing. It should be at about 160 to 160 degrees. That's when it's time to wrap. I'm about to show you right now. Let's see. That brisket looks good. We got 170. 175. It's good to go. We ain't there yet though. 180. 181. Alright. Come back to you in a minute. We go again. Dirty South Barbecue comes back to Brooklyn. Here's the brisket. Boy, it's looking real good. Ain't done yet. Woo! Oh, that's hot. What we're gonna do is wrap it. We took it off at 160 degrees, so now to get to that 210 degrees, between 206 and 210 degrees, we're gonna wrap this sucker up. We're gonna put some beef stock in here too. See right there, beef stock in here. That's how we're gonna do it. Wrap it up this side first. Pick it up. Alright, I'm gonna pull up these beef, shake it up a little bit. It's gonna soften it up, give it moisture, give it more body. This bad boy is done. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be something serious. Now, I'm gonna turn it this way now. Start from this end, wrap it just like that. Now we're gonna get it nice and tight. Nice and tight, just like that. Nice and tight. Look at that, see? Wrapped it up good, look at it. No oil, no juices on the table. And it's a white table too. Look at it, nice and tight. So I know I got this one wrapped real good. So later on, probably about another hour or two, I'm gonna poke it with my trusty thermometer. You're gonna see what's going on. Gonna put it right back on the grill. Coal still looking good. It's still at about 300 degrees. Here we go. Make sure that's the top. All right, that's the top. There it is. Go again. Dirt South Barbecue comes back to Brooklyn. I'll check this brisket, see what the temperature's at. See what we got. Look. Oh, look at this. See how that thermometer goes through there? It's like that. You know what time it is. My man. 2:08. That's good. 2:08. Check it right here. Look at this butter. 2:04. Good there, 2:10. Butter. Look at this bad boy. Bad boy's good to go. Saw that trick, huh? Caught it in the air. Alright. See, I'm talking about what I said, those long tongs. Ooh. Alright. We are done. Okay. What I have to do now, what the brisket does now, has to rest. So what I'm going to do is supposed to rest for about an hour. I'm going to shorten that time up. It's time to eat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the freezer. Let the sucker sit for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes in the freezer. We're going to come back. We're going to be cutting this bad boy up to see what it look like. Go again, Dirt South Barbecue comes back to Brooklyn. Brisket is cooled down. It's out of the freezer. About to open this bad boy up, see how it come out. See what we got. Oh, man. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. Look at that jiggle on it. Look at this plate. Gotta get this juice out of here. Got a lot of gravy. Woo, it's so hot. All right, look at that. Look at that jiggle. Look at that jiggle, that bad boy there. This bad boy. Good, good. All right, let's check it up. Get a couple slices right here. Oh, man. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. Watch this. Look at that juice pouring out of there. Oh, that mercy. Ooh, woo. Well, there it is, people. The brisket is done. All I'm going to say is, please like and subscribe. Share this video. Thank you for checking out my brisket again.